Hey, what is up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review. How are you guys doing? And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this Best Choice Organized Connect. Yeah, from, oh my god, VTech. So yeah, we're going to be taking a look at this, guys. It's very, very ancient secret technology over there. I bought it for $2 at the pawn shop, and we're going to see what comes in this package right here. I'm kind of excited just to see what you used to get and stuff like that. It you know, as it says, as is. So we're gonna see what's going on. This is Ancient Tech. Let's get into it. Alrighty, guys, and as you can see here, I am here with the box itself, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look. We're gonna unbox this thing, and as you guys can see, I'm actually on my Uber delivery grind right now. So it is 7:22 in the morning. I've already made $8, so I've already made one trip. I paid $8, so super excited about that. And let's go ahead and get into this box, guys. As you guys can see, the Best Choice Helio. It's a Helio VTech organizer or something like that. Guess it's just really old, guys. Organize your contacts, emails, schedules, to-do items, expenses, memos, and more. Flexible large storage, 8 megabytes. They're calling large storage back in the day. Stores about 30 minutes of voice recordings, 1,000 emails, 6,000 contacts. Internet ready, portable email. Download emails to your Helio PDA for viewing and composing on the road. Send voice message over internet. Record your video message on the Helio. Sync to PC. Press one button to convert a WAV file attached to email and send. Operating system and applications in flash memory. Free upgrades via synchronization with PC. We got low power consumption, 2 AAA batteries, 1 month of normal use, or 20 hours of continuous operation. Compatibility, there you go. Oh man, and I did not bring 2 AAA batteries, but this is mostly just an unboxing to show you guys what this type of thing comes with or whatever back in the day. And then maybe we'll have like a separate video about the actual stuff that goes along with it. So it's got a stylus, microphone, scroll buttons, contrast button, writing pad, speaker, and a cradle. Alright, so there you are, guys. Enough playing around with the box. Let's go ahead and get into it. So it was taped like this, so we're just going to go ahead and take a look right there. So the unboxing knife, as per usual. So I wonder when this thing was actually made. Doesn't have any type of trademarking or anything like that, but it's got to be quite old. So let's see here. All right. Alright. Alright, guys, so here we go. Wow, look at this. So we'll get inside. Look at this. Quick start guide. Okay. So this is an actual complete. This is actually complete and everything. Didn't think it was going to be actually new in the box. Huh. Okay. I should have probably just kept this thing new in the box, huh? And it says demo. So, what is this about? Is this a demo unit? Like, what? Quick start guide right there. It's just pretty cool. Table of contents. I wonder how much something like this would have costed back in the day. CD-ROM disc. This is when actual products actually came with instruction booklets. So there you go. Here's all the parts right here. Record, playback, shortcut keys. Quick setup guide. Look at that. Connect it up to the PC. Guarantee you won't be able to get up to any PC now, but hey, we can try. There you go. And I don't know what this is right here, but alright. Take a look at this cradle. Oh wow. Yeah, definitely not going to be able to connect this to my laptop for sure. What the heck? Look at that, guys. That's the cradle. That's crazy. Wow. Alright, and let's look at the device itself now. Let's see if anything else comes in the box. I doubt it. I think that's about it. Oh, we do have some more goodies. Wow. Uh-oh. Let's grab that real quick. So this is the CD desktop software that it comes with. Man, haven't seen a CD in a hot minute. And that is an adapter, apparently. So yeah, still not going to be able to connect that for sure. And this is the package right here. Of course, you got to put that branding on there, that Helio. So it's Helio by VTech. So VTech also, I guess, collaborated and made this product. But there's that. All right. Now, let's take a look at the actual product itself. That's cool, since it takes 2 AA batteries or 2 AAA batteries. Whoa. Whoa, this thing is cooler looking than I even anticipated. Whoa. Okay, I like. Look at that. Look at that color. It's like a clear, and then on the front it's like a greenish kind of transparent. Yo, that's cool. That is so cool. Helio. Of course, you got your speaker holes right there. Let's look at that. Take a look at that stylus. So cool, man. I tell you, man, technology back in the day used to actually, you know, have like lots of nice buttons and things that you can do with it or whatever. So let's go ahead. Volume up, volume down. There's a little rocker right here. Looks like for brightness. There's the power right there. So just too many buttons to actually look at, guys, to be honest with you guys. But there you go, guys. Let me know if you actually enjoyed this video. I would really appreciate that. And that's the pin for charging it, I'm assuming, or syncing it. Right there's a sync right there, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, guys, other than that, I guess that's going to be it for the video. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing of this Helio VTech personal organizer or whatever. I'll try to get some more information on it, and I'll try to do like a little mini thing on it. But I do have a trip right now, guys, so I do have to go ahead and get going, as you can see, for $7.14. So the grind never stops, guys. Go ahead and leave a like on the video, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye, guys. I gotta get going. All right, buddy, enjoy your day.
Right, you can. What kind of videos you make?
YouTube videos.